This video provides step-by-step instructions to link your Google Ads account to your Google Analytics Universal account. Start by logging into your Google Analytics account, and in the bottom left corner you will see a gear icon for admin. A 3-panel menu opens. For linking, we are interested in the middle property panel. First, make sure you are in the correct property by checking up here. For the Google Analytics UA version, the property ID will begin with UA. Once you have confirmed the correct property, find the product linking section down here on the page and then click the Google Ads to open the next screen. Click the Add New Link Group button here in the top left. The screen that opens will show the Google Ads accounts you can access. Check the account you wish to link and then click Continue. This is where you give your link group a name, usually your business name, and then, most important, turn on the link here and then click Link Accounts. Linking the accounts should automatically enable auto-tagging with your Google Analytics. You need auto-tagging so your Google Ads account will send click data to your Google Analytics account.